In this video, we will discuss lecturer botany paper dated 06/12/2020. So keep watching this video till end for better preparation. Agar-agar is obtained from Gelidium, that is red algae. Sac fungi having 8 spore belongs to Ascomycota. Autoclave function as steam sterilizer used to kill microbes. Cron's anatomy is present in C4 plants. Electron transport chain occur in mitochondria. Organelle, that is the result of apoptosis, is lysosome. Product of light reaction is ATP, NADPH, and O2. Most of the plant viruses are RNA viruses. Size of COVID-19 viruses is 50 to 200 nanometer. Reserve food material of fungi is glycogen. Primitive group of algae is blue-green algae. Red pigment is known as phycoerythrin, that is present in red algae. Advanced group of fungi is green algae. Phytophthora infestans belongs to Omycotes. Causes of summit is Ostilago tritici. Peroxisomes take part in Calvin cycle of photosynthesis. Cell wall of bacteria contain peptidoglycan. Cork contain which material? Suberin. Most advanced group of algae are green algae. Which fungi group lack flagella? Rhodophyta. Xylem contain tracheids and vessels. Microfilaments are composed of actin protein. Function of centriole is the production of spindle fiber. Hydrospheric first layer contain planktonic organisms. Median is the number between high and low values. Cell wall of fungi contain chitin. Yeast is different from bacteria, being eukaryote. Size of average bacterium is 0.5 to 5 micrometer. Megasporophyll in gymnosperm is female cone. Energy flow in an ecosystem is always unidirectional. Diverse plant species evolving into local population is known as ecotype. Plants that are grown in shades are known as skyophytes. Age of plants is determined by annual rings. Sporophyte of bryophyte is attached to gametophyte foot. Pteridophytes have independent sporophyte. Meristematic cells are present in Anthoceros. Aflatoxin is produced by fungi. What are axons? Axons are the coding region of chromosomes and introns are non-coding. Teichoic acid is present in the cell wall of gram-positive bacteria. Succinate vernation is present in ferns. Liverworts are closely related to mosses. Fruiting bodies of Aspergillus is Clastothecium. Nitrogen is essential macronutrient. Totipotent plant is used to develop complete plant. Casparian strips are present in endodermis. Plant cell without cell wall is known as protoplast. Father name of Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Hazrat Abdullah. Founder of Congress A.O. Hume. Che Guevara belongs to Argentina. Quaid-e-Azam joined Muslim League in 1913. Liaquat-Nehru Pact signed in 1950. Primary memory used to store data. Allama Iqbal stay in Europe in 1905 to 1908. Which gas is used to fill balloons? Helium gas. In MS Office, the button F8 is pressed 3 times to select a sentence. He said, keep silence and listen to my word. Convert this sentence direct into indirect. He urged them to be silent and listen to his word. What digit should be added to 3450 to make it a perfect square? 31. If 10 has a variance of 4, then the rate of variance will be 40. Osaka is a city of which country? Japan. टेढ़ी खीर होना मीन मुश्किल काम